Hey guys, just want to send you out a video here today. You're probably in steps of, learning how to coach on the online weight loss challenge, and you need to set up your packages, okay, your diet packages. So what I want to do is I want to go through that with you guys so you understand exactly how to do that, okay? It was a little tricky for me, so I just wanted to make sure it was super simple for you guys. So here I go. I'm sharing my screen with you. Hopefully you guys can see this. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to customer and I want you to go to Go Herbalife Administration, okay? And it's kind of slow, but I'm sure it's gonna go through here. Okay, so now you go down, you scroll down and you go down to product combos. And when you click on product combos, you can create combos, okay? So it says create combos right here. If you click on this, you guys, it's going to give you like select a photo, and the photo that we're using for the weight loss or for the online weight loss challenge is this chip right here, okay? Then you hit save, okay? Then when you go to your first diet package, it's going to be diet package 1, okay? Support package 1. So follow the flyer when you're doing it, okay? Because it's important that you do that to get them in the right sequence. I started with the $88 package at the beginning, and that's not what we were told to do. You know, Tiffany was very, very strong on what she said. So diet package 1 is the 167, diet package 2 is the 270, and diet package 3 is the 88, okay? And it's exactly what I have. Now, once you up here put in the product that you want to put in, then you put the SKU number, and then you hit space, and then it comes up, and then you hit save, okay? And it's going to go to that diet package of what you choose. You can see all the different things that you can choose here, but the diet package is the ones that we're doing, okay? So once you get all of those stored, then you go in and you turn them on, okay? See, I can turn off or I can turn them on. So I've turned on all the diet packages. I left Samantha on, and I've turned everything else off, so nothing else shows up in the front of my Go Herbalife site, okay? And then once you've done all that, then you just go out of here and then go to, you guys probably set up a fake account, hopefully you did, for your Go Herbalife account, okay? So here's the Go Herbalife account of someone. I'm just gonna go ahead and click in so you guys can see this. I'll be right out, you guys. And right down here is the diet packages, okay? All this other stuff should be gone. I don't know why that's not. I'll figure it out. But right here are the diet packages. Diet package 1, 2, and 3, okay? I'll have to figure out why she's still in there. But maybe if I just don't log in. Let's see if I do that. Because she's been a customer, so I wonder if she's been a customer. I think I logged her out. Nope. Well, all I know is the diet packages show up there, and I'll figure out how to make it easy for them not to show up anything else, okay? So hopefully you guys see that super quick. Go ahead and get that done, and you'll be ready to send that over to people so they can start to order with your website. Have a great day.